Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Even though China and India standoff has come to an halt for now, we still can't trust that this standoff has been completely solved. We have been getting updates regarding China still active near the Galwan Valley in eastern Ladakh. India already has a plan for the border conflict situation and has deployed relevant aircrafts, helicopters, and missiles near the border. But just having these preparations near the border won't help until we have a good surveillance across the border. As per the defense sources, it looks like India will get a major boost to their surveillance capabilities as they would be very soon deploying the Israeli Heron drones. It is said that India would be getting four such drones, and these Israeli Mark II drones can stay airborne for 45 hours at a stretch. India already has such Heron drones in their inventory, but these new set of drones are said to be more advanced ones with better anti-jamming capabilities. The acquisition of these drones has been done under the emergency financial powers. Out of the four Heron drones which is going to be procured, the first one will be delivered to Indian Army in the next 2 to 3 months, with the other two coming by end of this particular year. Coming to the general characteristics of this drone, length of this drone is 14 meters with a wingspan of 26 meters. The maximum takeoff weight of this drone stands at approximately 5,500 kilograms and it has a payload capacity of 2,700 kilograms. These drones have an endurance of 30 hours, which is very vital for any defense forces, and some sources mention that the endurance is of 45 hours. Other vital capabilities to be mentioned are the automatic taxi takeoff and landing, the satellite communication for extended range, and its fully redundant avionics. We also know that Indian Navy has taken on lease two Sea Guardian drones from the United States in order to enhance the surveillance over the Indian Ocean region. The two drones are the unarmed versions and have been inducted into flying operations since 21 November 2020 at Indian Navy base at INS Rajali. INS Rajali, which is also known as Arakonam Naval Air Station, is an Indian naval air station located near Arakonam of Tamil Nadu. It operates under the Eastern Naval Command of the Indian Navy and it has the longest military runway in Asia. So that was a quick update on the recent defense happenings related to drones. Let's hope India receives the four Israeli Heron drones and boost their surveillance power across the border. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.